Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing a different video. Now is when we're gonna get to the fun stuff. On this video we're gonna be talking about Robinhood app or the website, the broker. I'm gonna explain you guys step by step how to sign up, how to log in and everything, and explain you guys different stuff inside the Robinhood broker. Um, One of the things I wanted to remind everybody is like let's get back old school. All right, let's get a pen and paper and they take notes about everything. That's the best way to practice and be able to remember everything we talk about. Again, all I ask for you guys is to hit that like button at the bottom, um, subscribe to the channel, share this channel and the Facebook group with many other people so that we can help more people. All right. At the bottom, under the description, you guys gonna see the link for Weevil, where you're gonna get 2 free stocks, or a link to Robinhood, that is the one we're gonna be doing today, where you're gonna get a free stock as if you use my link. All right. All right. So let's get started. This is the website robinhood.com. It's gonna send you here as if you use my link, it's gonna send you right at here. All right. First thing you guys gonna do is obviously gonna press sign up. All right, just a second. Right here, you're gonna see claim your free stock now. That's using my link. You're gonna press that. Right here, you're gonna put your information. All right. Then you're gonna press continue. Username is unavailable. Let's change it here real quick. All right, let's change your right here. Cool. All right. Then you just basically just gonna input your information, and then you're gonna be able to sign in. All right. So let's close here. I already have an account, so I cannot keep going. Now right here, then you're just gonna log in. All right. And this is how your homepage gonna look like. All right, right here is gonna be all the stocks that you have either in your watch list or the stocks that you have a position. All right here you're gonna be able to see your graph, like how it's going during the day, up, down, the prices, how much you're up, how much you're down. Right here at the bottom, you can see the popular collections. All right, so you can kind of like look through them to kind of get an idea which stocks are like being high, which stocks are going low, and different stuff like that. You keep going down here, and they have like a news. Um Click right here where you can go and see the different news for different stocks during the day. All right here you can see the top movers. You can use it as a reference. Never go by what is going on here by this percentage. Don't go and just buy a position just because here is of the top movers, but you can use it as a reference for sure. All right, here there is different other news, and it tell you right here at the bottom. This just means that because of this news, this stock Bank of America went down 1.42%. All right, and again, all this is just news. right? There is a thing in here where you can do cryptocurrencies. All right, we're not gonna talk about that right now. Later on, different videos, we will, but that's another thing that you can do with Robinhood. All right, now let's go right here to account. All right, so let's go right here, documents. So right here you can see different documents like banking, all your statement. You get a statement every single month about what you're doing, like all the trades you did and everything. So you can use that for your tax at the end of the year. Now here in cash, right here you one of the pretty cool things about Robinhood. I'm not a big fan, but they you can have a debit card with them. So whenever you're trading and you take your money out, you can use that money right away with this debit card instead of waiting 2 or 3 days to hit your bank account. Plus, you get like a 0.30% honor percent yield. It's not a big deal, but yeah, that's something you can do, and it's something pretty cool about it. All right, right here when it say buying power, that means that's the amount of money you have available right away to conduct any trades. Now, one thing with uh, Robinhood is the pattern day trade, right? So let me show you guys right here. One second. Where you at? Okay. So right here at the bottom, you're gonna see you can only do 3 day trades in a 5 week in a 5 day period. All right, well, 5 days means 5 dating trades, so that doesn't include Saturday or Sunday. And if for some reason there is a holiday, it doesn't count either. So what a day trade is, a day trade is when you buy a stock and you sell it the same day. So you can only do that 3 times. The good thing with Robinhood, you're gonna have here, um, it will notify you when you do one, when you do two, when you do three. If you do that fourth one, you're gonna get tagged as a pattern day trade, and you will be banned for at least 3 months. So you don't want that. So some of the way to be able to get away with this, and I don't recommend it too much because the market like to change a lot during the night, is if you buy the stock and you can get away with selling the stock the next day, it will not count as a day trade. But again, I don't recommend it unless you have done a lot of research that that make you think that it will be good to sell it the next day. All right? It's never too good when you're doing day trade to hold a stock overnight. All right? Now, when you're choosing your account, you can either do a cash account or a margin account. Don't worry about picking a margin account right now. That can cause you a lot of problems. We're gonna go over margin later on. So just use a normal account, a cash account. All right. All right. Let's see what else. Right here, you can see the different stocks I'm investing right now. Let's show you guys how do you actually place a trade. It will not let me place a trade right now because we are after hours already. And the thing with Robinhood, you can only trade from 7:30 in the morning to 6 to sorry to 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So depending where you are, you need to add up or subtract an hour or two, all depending. So let's see, for example, I want to go here and buy Roku. All right, just gonna click on Roku. Right here is gonna tell you what's the price right now. Is this right here? We can see. All right. Then you can see over the day how Roku was going up and down. You can look at the week. You can look at the month. All right. You can do all that. All right. Now, if you go here about, you will be able to see how many employees this company has. That's a really good thing, because if you see a company that only have 2 employees, that's not a good idea to buy that company, because with 2 employees, how much money can they make? You know, right here you can see the 52-week low. How in 52 weeks was the lowest this stock it's been. Right here you can be the highest this stock has been during the last 52 weeks. Right here you can see the highest today. Right here you can see the lowest today. All right, and the market cap, we're gonna talk about that later, but we don't need to worry about that right now. Now, volume is really important, because volume, if there's not enough volume, that means you cannot buy a stock. And the same way, if there is not enough volume, that means you cannot sell the stock. So usually my good rule of thumb, when I'm doing day trading, the stock has to have at least 100,000 in volume. Obviously, with Roku, that's way more than that. And then when I'm doing swing trading, at least 50,000 for volume. All right. Again, Roku way over that. This is more for like other stocks that the volume is a little lower. All right, because it's just a really good example. It's like if you go to buy a PlayStation, right? But they don't have any PlayStation for you to buy, you cannot buy it. So it's the same thing. If there is not enough volume, you cannot buy the stock, right? And the other way around, if you're selling a PlayStation but there are not enough buyers, you cannot sell it. So the same thing, if there is not enough volume, you're trying to get out of a position, you will not be able to. All right. So then basically you're just gonna go here. You are gonna put it on shares. You can sign up to buy fraction stocks, but usually you have to go in a waiting line when you get approved. That's one thing I like about Robinhood, because buying fraction means that, like for example, Tesla right now is at like 1650. But if you don't have 1650 to drop on Tesla, you can, and you only have 200, you can buy $200 of that stock, of that share. So you end up getting like 0.002. Right, so that's something pretty cool they have. But for now, just focus on shares. You're gonna put here the amount of shares you want, right? And then you're gonna review order, right? And obviously, then you're just gonna press here to put your trade. Right? Simple as that. Robinhood is really simple. It's for beginner traders. It's not a bad broker. All right. Now, let's see right here. Now we're gonna talk about these later on. Right now, we're gonna focus only on doing market orders. We're not gonna focus on none of this. These we're gonna talk about them later on. Please don't play with this yet. This can make you lose a lot of money. All right, so just let's focus. Make sure it's a market order, and then you're just gonna place your trade. Again, it's not gonna let me because we're after hours already. All right. Again, Robinhood is not a bad broker, but you guys can see how simple is the graph. Doesn't give you too much details. You are not able to use no indicators and different stuff like that will help you find a better opportunity to take a position on a stock. All right. Now let's go back. Again, Robinhood is a great broker, not my favorite. We're gonna be, and next video we're gonna be talking about the Webull broker. I hope you guys understand everything. And again, like always, if you have any questions, please feel free to message me in the group, private message me, anything. All right, I'm here for you guys. All right, we create this just to help everybody. Just to do a little recap, how to sign up for Robinhood. pros for Robinhood. You can buy fraction shares. You have a debit card where you can use your money right away instead of waiting 3 to 5 days to hit your bank. You can buy cryptocurrencies, but we're not gonna focus on that right now. It's a really, really basic broker, so it doesn't require as much understanding. Now, some of the cons are that is slower. So usually when you take a position, it take longer, so the market can change. All right. The same thing when you're selling a position, it take longer, so it can change. So you were trying to sell it for 200. By the time it processes, it can go down to 198. For example, that's just an example. All right. Another of the cons is like you cannot use indicators that help you increase your chances to get a better position. And that's about it. All right. Just remember, as always, just hit that like button, subscribe, share these videos so we can help more people, and stay tuned for the next video that will be about Weevil and how to use it. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow.